Using formulas in Airtable allows you to automate calculations, manipulate text, and analyze data dynamically within your tables. Here's how to use them. Add a formula field. Open your Airtable base and go to the table where you want to use a formula. Add a new field by clicking the plus icon next to your columns. Select formula as the field type and name your field. Write the formula. Airtable formulas are written using functions and field references. For example, basic math. Use field name 1 plus field name 2 to add values. Text manipulation. Use concatenate to combine text. Date calculations. Use datetime diff to calculate days between two dates. Conditional logic. Use if equals complete, done, in progress for conditional output. Airtable provides a formula helper with function examples and field names. Save and test. Once your formula is written, save it. Airtable will automatically apply the formula to all rows in the column. Refine and apply. Experiment with functions like len, upper, round, or switch to perform advanced tasks.